improving the performance of EA FC25 can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your gameplay. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches and updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Reducing settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows can help improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 3. Optimize system settings. Close unnecessary background applications on your device to free up system resources. This can help the game run smoother by allocating more memory and processing power to it. Step 4. Check hardware requirements. Verify that your system meets or exceeds the minimum hardware requirements for the game. Upgrading components like RAM or graphics cards can lead to better performance. Step 5. Use performance modes. If available, enable performance modes on your gaming console or PC. These modes are designed to enhance gameplay by prioritizing frame rates and responsiveness over visual fidelity. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in the performance of EA FC25, leading to a more enjoyable gaming experience.